Hi and welcome to a new Glossybox unboxing. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Willow and today we're going to be unboxing the Grazia Best of Beauty limited edition box that has come out with Glossybox. Now this box has a value of over £150. It is filled with the most amazing goodies. I can't wait to show you what's inside and have a little look at all the products. So let's get into it. Now Glossybox teamed up with Grazia to bring us a collection of cult classics alongside bona fide hero products from brands such as Dr. Jart, MAC, NARS. There are so many good brands in here. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Now, as I said, this has a value of over £150, and if you are interested, you can pick this up for £45 right now on the Glossybox website. In the drop box, I've included all the links and the details of where you can find out so much more information. But for now, let's just dive in and check out all these amazing products. Okay, so your box comes with a gorgeous pink kind of like marble sleeve. It's really pretty actually. So inside your Grazia box, you're going to find an edit card. Now this is going to be your source of information. It's going to tell you all about the items that are inside your box. Going to give you hints and tips on how to use them, how much they're valued at. And yeah, we're going to use this as a guide as we go through all these amazing products and find out a bit more information about them. Okay, so to start us off with, we have Dr. Pawpaw. This is definitely a cult classic in the making. Dr. Pawpaw's multi-purpose balm. This is the original and it's for lips, skin, hair, cuticles, dry patches. You can pretty much use it anywhere. It's multi-purpose, as I said. It's fragrance free and it's vegan as well, so this is full size. Now it says here, so the Dr. Pawpaw original balm comes in at £6.95 and is full size. Now the award-winning 100% natural, vegan and cruelty-free multitasking balm has pawpaw fruit and aloe vera and olive oil to nourish, soothe and moisturize your skin, lips and hair, leaving them hydrated and soft. Now our next product is a tanning hero. This is the Saint-Tropez Self Tan Express. It's a 1 hour tan, so you can use it for like 1 hour and get like a nice glow. You can use it for 2 hours and get a medium tan, and then 3 hours to get a really dark, bronzy, gorgeous glow to your skin. So this is a deluxe mini and comes in at £5.70. It says the Self Tan Express Bronzing Gel. Customize the depth of your tan with this 3-in-1 express tanning gel. Apply a lightweight gel to the skin, then rinse off after 1 hour for a light glow, or 3 hours to give your skin a lovely golden bronze glow. Okay, and to go alongside your Saint-Tropez, we have the Saint-Tropez Mitt. So this is dual-sided. It's a luxe velvet feel. It's a gorgeous applicator mitt. I've always only ever used the Saint-Tropez ones, and for me they've always worked really well. So this comes in at £5 and you can use it more than once. Personally, I like to give these like a hand wash, you know, in the sink, that kind of thing. And yeah, they seem to last a really long time. So it says velvet soft, these luxe mitts create an even streak-free tan without staining your hands. Pump your Self Tan Express bronzing gel onto the mitt directly, then apply to the skin in circular motions. Yeah, so this is going to make tanning so easy. Okay, so next we have something from a brand I have always wanted to try, and it's Dr. Jart. So this is the Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. So I must admit the packaging looks really fun as well actually. So this is like a moisturiser, but it's a gel moisturiser, really great for the summer. Okay, and I think this is full size. This is meant to be really calming and refreshing and great if you've got sensitive skin. Do you know, I didn't expect it to be green. Check that out, but oh, it does feel really cooling on the skin, and it's a gorgeous water weight formula. A little's going to go a long way as well. Wow. Now the Dr. Jart Sea Pillar Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream comes in at a recommended retail price of £30. So the lightweight gel blends onto the skin with Dr. Jart's unique microbiome complex to hydrate and soothe sensitive skin, leaving it moisturised, calm and clear. We have a huge product from Neil's Yard, and this is a special edition. Oh my gosh, okay. What is it? Oh, Wild Rose Beauty Balm. Wow, okay, this is going, I love a good balm cleanser. It says here, all began with star signs aligning. Shine from within with our magical blends of herbs, botanicals and essential oils. Feel the love. I really do love Neil's Yard. Oh, okay, so we've got a muslin cloth in here, which is super handy. And then again, yeah, another full-size product. So this is 50 grams. Now Neil's Yard is made in the UK and is such a really gorgeous, natural, high-end, amazing brand. I really, really love their formulas. And honestly, the aromatics from this is just gorgeous. So the Wild Rose Beauty Balm has a recommended retail price of £40. To nobly nourish your skin and enhance your natural radiance, this award-winning exfoliating cleansing balm features antioxidant rich organic wild rosehip oil as well as geranium and patchouli and essential oils. So next we have everybody's hero hair product, and it is Philip Kingsley's Elasticizer. Now this is a deluxe mini and it is 40 mils, so you're probably going to get up to 2 or 3 treatments out of this depending on your hair type and length. Now this adds elasticity and bounce to your hair. I actually use Elasticizer. It helps kind of like give my hair lots of extra thickness, reconditions it after I've coloured it. It's absolutely such a fab kind of like pre-wash treatment. Really, really great. Now this comes in at £12. A full size one of these would be $34, and it says hair meets the award-winning deep conditioning treatment that moisturizes, strengthens and boosts your hair elasticity with this nutrient-rich formula. Apply for 20 minutes, then rinse your shampoo as normal. Bouncy, silky, shiny hair awaits. Okay, so next we have something from NARS, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to see this. This is the bronzing powder from NARS. It's the NARS Laguna Bronzer. I have not tried this and I have wanted it so badly. I love the NARS Orgasm Blush. I think I've got about 4 or 5 of them, and I'm never without it, but I've always wanted to try the bronzer, and I am so, oh, and isn't their packaging always so cute? This is a deluxe mini. They have a little mirror inside, super gorgeous, and oh, I cannot believe I've got one of these to try. Check that out. So this is going to be your perfect summer bronzer. Absolutely lovely. So the deluxe mini comes in at £9.40, and it's the Laguna bronzing powder from NARS. Create a long-lasting sun-kissed glow with this award-winning bronzer. Sweep all over your face, temples and across your cheekbones and your jawline in circular motions to buff and blend yourself to a gorgeous summer glow. So the next product in the box is a lip scrub, and this is from Project Lip. They do the most amazing lip targeted products. Okay, so we have a lip scrub, and as I said, it's from Project Lip. This comes in at £8.95 and is full size. So it says here, for silky soft lips, gently exfoliate with this edible sugar fruity based lip scrub, which blends orange peel alongside aloe vera and papaya to instantly nourish and hydrate. The perfect prep for lips. Ooh, I bet this smells absolutely amazing. Wow, and it's like the brightest orange ever. So next we have a lipstick. This is actually from MAC. I mean, I love MAC lipsticks. They are amazing. This is the shade Down to an Art. I've not tried this one before, but it looks right up my street. Oh, they always smell so good. They just smell like cocoa butter and chocolate. Let's just swatch this. This is such a gorgeous creamy formula. It's almost like a nudie brown, really wearable. It's perfect for summer actually, because you could actually have that colour as almost like a lip tint. You could really like blush it out, and it's going to give you that kind of beautiful kind of glow to your lips. So the matte lipstick Down to an Art has a comfortable 10-hour wear, and this iconic rich and creamy matte lipstick leaves lips with a summery peachy nude hue. glide it onto your lips to sculpt, shape and define them, and this has a recommended retail price of £17.50. Wow, so it is full size. That is amazing value. We have a product from Kiehl's. Oh my goodness, this box just gets better and better. So this is the Kiehl's Vital Super Strengthening Serum. It's 4 ml and fortifies skin to help resist skin aging stresses while boosting radiance and improving texture. So this has got hyaluronic acid in it and an adaptogenic herbal complex. Ooh, wonder what that is. This is the cutest little pipette ever. I'm just going to pop some on the back of my hand. I love a good serum. They are so brilliant at just giving your skin that extra hydration and support during the summer months when your skin can be a bit stressed out because of the heat, especially if you're wearing a face mask at the moment. Your skin might need an extra little bit of a boost, and this is going to be perfect. So the Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum softens fine lines and revives a sleepy looking complexion with this skin strengthening powerhouse of a serum blending hyaluronic acid with herbal adaptogens. It penetrates through the 8 surface layers of the skin to fortify them, leaving skin more resilient, more supple and healthier. Now, if you've not heard of Real Technique makeup brushes, honestly, you need to check them out. I absolutely love them. I actually use quite a few of their face brushes, and these are the eyeshadow. This is the Cut Crease Duo. So you get 2 brushes in here and they look really good. These brushes will up your eye game. Use the crease prep brush to create a smooth base onto your lid, then the defining crease brush to precisely blend shadows onto your crease. Now these have a recommended retail price of £10.99 and are a full size set, so absolutely fab. I could definitely do with some new eye makeup brushes. I love doing like cut creases and stuff like that, so this is going to be really fun. Okay, our final product in the box is from Too Faced. I cannot believe we have a Too Faced item in here. This is so exciting. It says here this is their new mascara. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's the Damn Girl 24-hour mascara for shamelessly thick and curled lashes. Oh wow. Okay, I'm really hyped for this. This is going to be fab. Oh my gosh, how stunning does that look? So let's open this up and check out that little brush. I love Too Faced mascaras. Wow, that is going to give you some curls. So this groundbreaking mascara features a revolutionary creamy mousse formula that instantly amplifies, enhances the length and volumizes and thickens the length of your lashes. Wow, this is a real keeper. Better yet, its dual fibre infinity brush hugs, lifts and curls your lashes root to tip. Wow, I'm so excited to try that. I think I'm going to have to, put that in my makeup bag for tomorrow and check it out. So that was all the products that are inside this amazing box from Glossybox and Grazia. And for £45, you get a lot for your money. Wow, I'm so impressed. I can't believe there's £150 worth of value in that gorgeous pink box. What a real summer treat for yourselves. And don't forget, if you want to find out more about Glossybox, head over to their website where you can find out how to become a subscriber and get priority access to the latest limited edition collections that have launched. So guys, that is everything from me. Have a fabulous day, enjoy the sunshine or whatever you're doing today, and I'll see you all soon. Take care guys. Bye.